Let's be honest, AI is here, and it is completely changing the game in education. For all of us in the field, this isn't just some new app or a new piece of software. It feels like a whole new world, and figuring out how to navigate it, well, that's probably the biggest challenge we're facing right now. And this leads to the one question I know is on every educator's mind. Is this thing a threat? Something that just tears down academic integrity, something we have to constantly police? Or is it the exact opposite? Is it the key we've been waiting for to unlock truly personalized and powerful learning for every single student? It feels like we're stuck, right? Pulled in two different directions at once. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if I told you that there's a clear, structured way forward that lets you grab all the incredible power of AI without sacrificing the core principles of great teaching? Well, the good news is there is. So what is this path? Let's get right into it. It's the postgraduate certificate in AI in teaching and learning. And you should really think of it as your personal navigator for this completely new educational frontier. I mean, look at it this way. Trying to figure out AI on your own right now, it's like driving in a super dense fog. You can't see what's ahead, you're worried about these big ethical crashes, and you're not even totally sure where you're trying to go. This course just completely changes all of that. Suddenly, you've got clear maps, we're talking actual templates, you've got the road rules, that's the ethics, and you get to program your destination to create these amazing learning outcomes. It is literally your GPS for the future of education. Okay, so what's actually in this GPS? How do you really go about mastering this new terrain? Let's break down the skills you'll have, the things you'll be able to do when you're done. We're talking about building real core competencies here. You're not just going to learn what AI is, you'll learn how to weave it into your teaching ethically and, effectively. We'll dive deep into generative AI, you'll master AI-assisted learning design, and you'll see how to leverage these tools for amazing feedback and analytics. And this one's huge. You'll learn how to completely rethink assessment. That's a real game changer. And I want to be absolutely clear here. This is not about abstract, high-level theory. Nope. This is about you getting hands-on, practical literacy with the very tools that are shaping our profession right now. And that means you're going to get your hands dirty with a real AI toolkit. We're talking about really mastering tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. And not just for asking simple questions. I mean, using them for sophisticated lesson planning, for automating your workflow. You'll learn the art of prompt engineering so you can build your own custom AI tutors, and even use bias detection models to make sure everything's fair and upholds academic integrity. But the digital tools? That's just the start. This PGCert is designed to give you a complete toolkit. We're talking tangible, practical resources that you can use to start charting your own course right inside your own institution. You're going to get immediate access to things like downloadable strategy templates, an AI lesson plan builder, even an AI feedback rubric builder. I mean, these aren't just ideas. These are resources that are ready to go. You can literally plug them into your work from day one, and you'll have tons of practical case studies to show you exactly how others have done it. And that's really the heart of it, the core philosophy. It's all about closing that gap between the theory and real, meaningful day-to-day application. Now, all of this learning comes together in your capstone applied project. This is where you make it real. You will actually design and build out a complete AI-enabled teaching or assessment plan that is specifically tailored for your students in your classroom at your institution. So what does that look like? Well, just imagine creating a project like this one. A system that uses AI to give instant, automated, and genuinely helpful formative feedback for business writing class. How cool is that? It's practical, it's innovative, and it's a project that makes a real impact immediately. And look, we get it. You are a busy professional. That's why this whole program is 100% online and completely self-paced. You fit this crucial learning into your schedule, not the other way around. But don't think for a second that flexible means less valuable. This program comes with serious academic weight. When you're done, you earn 60 RQF Level 7 credits. That is a recognized and respected postgraduate qualification. So when you put it all together, what does it add up to? Well, it's way more than just a new line on your resume. It's a professional transformation. You go from being an educator who's just trying to adapt to change to being the one who's actually pioneering it. It's really a journey that takes you from that feeling of uncertainty, maybe even a little bit of anxiety about AI, to a place of total confidence, of competence, of true mastery. And this right here is the ultimate goal. You'll be able to use reflective, evidence-based approaches to integrate AI into your work. That means you won't just be using AI, you'll be leading the conversation, using it thoughtfully, effectively, and with purpose. You'll be the one people come to with questions. So, the future of education is already here. It's time to stop trying to drive in the fog and start charting the course. It's time to become the expert that your students and your institution need you to be. Enroll now in the PGCert in AI and Teaching and Learning.